Welcome to Autodesk Inventor Sheet Metal Design. At Imaginet Technologies, we offer a live online course that introduces each trainee to the essentials needed to help launch them into the world of Inventor and 3D modeling. With the completion of our specialized course, clients will have obtained knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software in a sheet metal environment. Completion of the first day will enable students to navigate the Inventor sheet metal interface and explore various sheet metal design processes, create base faces, contour flanges, and contour rolls, create secondary faces, contour flanges, and contour rolls, create hems, folds, bends, and much more. Imaginet's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class. To help each student familiarize themselves with the routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow, each attendee will access Inventor through our unique online lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software. Topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to help students familiarize themselves with the concepts and techniques of sheet metal modeling with the Autodesk Inventor software, create and edit sheet metal parts, generate flat patterns, document the designs and the drawings, and much more. As we progress to the 2 days of class, each student will discover how to recognize the Autodesk Inventor sheet metal interface used to create and work on a sheet metal model, sketch the appropriate geometry and use it to create face, contour flanges, and contour roll features, use the sheet metal default dialog box to control a model's thickness and more, give additional strength, stiffness, or support to an area of a part by using flanges, create corner rounds and chamfers to shape a sheet metal part or to remove sharp corners, remove material from a model using sheet metal cuts such as holes, cuts, and punch features, control the geometry that results when two edges come together using a corner seam feature, generate flat patterns to describe the part in an unfolded state, create lofted flange to create complex geometry shapes, create rib feature to create an open gap that will permit flattening, unfold and refold features to work with folded sheet metal geometry, create a multi-body sheet metal part file that represents multiple assembly components in a single file, develop documentation and annotations in a drawing, convert solid models to sheet metal models, and set up sheet metal styles and more. Each day, our well-experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how Inventor functions best, sparking ideas for implementation and design while giving employees the confidence to transition into the software in order to fulfill their daily work needs, alleviating the fear that comes with transitioning into new software and new methods, assisting Inventor users in tackling daily obstacles and helping them move through work problem issues more efficiently and more quickly. Upon completion of our course, technicians, designers, and managers alike will gain the confidence to create features that are specific to the sheet metal modeling process, cutting down the time companies spend on tackling the burdensome task of onboarding new employees and/or understanding how new software can and will be implemented into the daily workflow. Imaginet's Inventor sheet metal design course equips students with the capabilities they need to move forward in today's technologically changing environment, familiarizing them with the latest and greatest in three-dimensional software.